I try to keep grass from growing up in my driveway. And I don't like to use real poison, because real poison kills the bees and things like that. It's really not good for the environment, and I got a neighbor who keeps a beehive. So instead what I do is I use industrial strength vinegar. I've got some right here that I ordered online, and I got some right here. This is 30%, and I think this might be 30. I don't know. Anyway, so I put a gallon of that in, and then I put, for salt, I use rock salt, and I dissolve it in water in here, and then I pour this in that once it's dissolved, and then I put some Dawn dish detergent in there. Dawn dish detergent is good for a lot of things, but I think it also helps to lubricate the system here, so it's not as likely to clog up. There's a weed. We just let that weed serve as an example of how well it works. It's 11:37. I'm gonna put some of this on that. Okay. I'll go put the weed killer away, and we'll see how long it takes for it to kill that. $11:58, and you can see how far gone that is right now. Now I'm going to walk over and show you two other plants I squirted at right about the same time. After I left y'all, I came over and squirted this one. You can tell by the way the leaves are drooping that it's on its way to being dead. And I squirted this one. It was growing out from in there. Nice, fresh, healthy looking when I squirted it, and that's what it looks like after that long. Okay, so it's 1:19. So let's go see how these plants look now. That looks pretty bad, don't it? Let's look at this one over here. Yeah, it looks pretty bad too. Let's go look at the first one I sprayed. I think it's a goner. So that's how quick the vinegar worked. So it's 8:30 in the morning the following day, and so less than 24 hours later, this is what that first plant that we sprayed looks like. I'll show you the other two over here. Here's this one, and this one. So this is the next day. Let's see if I get you on the side where the most light is. About 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I'll show you the other two. I don't even see that one. I think the wind must have blew it away. Let's see what this one looks like. Yeah, can't hardly see that one either. Looks like they're just about deteriorating. Okay, so there you go. I have in the past also used this kind of weed and grass killer. There's two problems with that. I got a friend who's a beekeeper, and he told me that that stuff will poison the bees and kill them all. But also, it tends to turn into a kind of a sticky gray film inside the sprayer, so that my sprayer was clogging up, and I'd have to dismantle the sprayer and clean it out. And generally after doing that 2 or 3 times, the sprayer didn't work anymore, couldn't be made to work anymore. This stuff has never disabled my sprayer. And part of that may have to do with me putting the dish soap in there. Obviously, soap is slippery and it kind of helps to lubricate things. So I don't know if you'll choose to use this kind of stuff in the future, but I just thought I'd let you know my experience with it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.